How to activate Bank of the West debit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate Bank of the West debit card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, let's just search for Activate Bank of the West debit card. And right here you can see Bank of the West website. So there we go. So if we open up this Bank of the West website, we can see that there is, let's just let this load first. And while this loads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So after you're here, all you have to now do is just log in into your account first. So log in into your account. And after you do that, you'll find under services and cards called activate option. Tap on activate. After you tap on activate, give it the details that you must from your debit card and hit enter. After you do that, your card will be simply activated, and that's basically how you do it. It's that simple. Now since I don't have an account, I can show you how to get into that activate section, but you can just follow along here and you should do it. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.